Good evening, guys. It's I want to say welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. But I'm gonna redo my tattooed eyebrows and redo my teeth. And I need to take off these eyelashes, so I'll probably take these eyelashes off in this video as well. All I'm gonna do is use the alcohol to take the my goodness, can't even think, the tattoo eyebrows off. I was going to probably shave them, but I think they're okay. I don't think I'm gonna shave them tonight. You guys are stuck to my mirror. See? Okay. I'm gonna be using these. I got them off Amazon. These are not my favorite. The other one, this says number 1, but I could have sworn number 1 in this packet was my favorite. I'm out of those, so I have to get some more. So all I do is just cut them. I go around the tattoo. I'm not worried about the back. I'm worried about the front. So I go around and I get as close as possible to the eyebrow, like that. And then I will cut them through the middle. And I won't cut that piece off until I take the plastic piece off, because on a couple of the other ones, when I cut it to here, it wouldn't let me take the plastic piece off. I don't know why. So, and I can't. There we go. It didn't want to come off. It did not want to come off. And then I'll cut it. And I will cut that piece. I just line it up with my, I don't know what that's called. A tear duct, or your tear duct's inside, but I don't know what that's called. I just line it up with there. Just take it and I line it up. Like that. And then I take a washcloth and I get it wet. Just the corner of it. And you just want to get the whole thing wet, just like the tattoos that you had when we were growing up. They still have the same tattoos, I guess, now for kids. Little fake tattoos. Put on, you wet it, press it. There you go. Like I said, these ones are not my favorite. They look good, I like them, but these do not last that long. This style does not last that long. I think I've had them on for, I don't know, I have to go back to look at my last video when I put them on, but I think it's only been like 3 or 4 days. Actually, I think it's only been like 3 days before they started peeling. Yeah, 3 days, and then they started peeling. That's why I don't really like this style. And I'll just wet my rag again. You need to probably clean the mirror, probably stick better. And then I just slowly push up on the paper. I just feel like, I don't know, y'all probably can't see it on camera, but I don't know, I just don't like these. And to see if they're even, I go like this. I go like this to see if they're even. They're even. See how they are even? And that's how I see if they're even. To make sure they are even. Okay. Put this up and then I'll be back. Okay. So now I'm gonna do just my top teeth because like I said, it's literally, let me see what's happening. It's 10:08 at night. So I'm just gonna do my top. I didn't go anywhere today, so I didn't need to put my bottom ones in. And I really don't use my bottom ones to eat either because I would have to keep putting glue on them because like I said before, I don't have enough bone like I do over here for them to stick. I got this 3-pack off of Amazon. So it's cheaper than Walmart. So I'm gonna open up a new one, even though I have like 4 open, but they're at the ends. They're like right there. But if you let these sit too long, it gets like a watery thing. Like it's watery. But anyway, I'm gonna use this if I need this one. If I need this one after this, then I'll probably use it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it upside down. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out and clean them. Not too dirty. A little bit of food right there because like I said, they're loose. And they have no adhesive on them. Very little. And my sink is still clogged. I've been dealing with that for over a year. And I just signed another lease for another year. Yay. Okay. So like I said, I've been dealing with it. I just signed another lease for a year. And I wish I could have found something cheaper, but I couldn't find anything cheaper, and they raised the rent on me up $50, so I'm paying over $1,000. I'm paying well over $1,000 to live here, and I don't think it's worth it. So I probably have to do the rest in the tub. I hate the way. I'm sorry. I've had these 2 years, and I'm still getting used to seeing myself without teeth. This is how I do my teeth, how I put my adhesive on. Y'all do y'all's how y'all want to, but this is what works for me. A lot of people probably say you're wasting. I probably am, but my teeth stay a lot longer and feel a lot tighter than just what it says to do. I'll show you the box in a minute. Hold on. So this is how much I put in. Oh, it's literally on the back here, but you can probably see it better on the box. This is what they want you to do. So it's upside down again. Lord. Anyway, this is your bottom. Oh, the back is upside down. No wonder. The back is upside down. You see the front is upside down. I guess so. I don't know. Anyway, those are your lower ones. This is the lower. They want you to put like 3 little strips. This is the upper. They want you to put a strip, strip, and strip. That don't stay for me. That does not stay for me. I sleep in these. I never take these out unless they need to be cleaned or put adhesive on there. I don't know if y'all can see the back. See, most people say you're wasting. Probably. but I think that will come out probably not that much with the 3 little lines, but that will probably come out. And then I just keep pushing up. India, you know. Okay, and that's all I do. And I need to clean that mirror, maybe stick better. I will take a Q-tip, and now I will take a Q-tip and clean the back part, because there's always some left over. Just take a Q-tip. See how there's still some. Make sure you're constantly pushing up with your tongue so you get all the air bubbles out. Because if you do not get all the air bubbles out, you will feel them. You will feel it. So, tonight is my hair washing night. I wash my hair with rice water. I have it soaking right now in the kitchen. Let me go get it, show you. This is my rice water. I soak it for 24 hours and then I put it on my hair, and I see a big difference. I see less grays, and I'm dyeing it less, and it's more shiny, softer. So I'm gonna do that tonight. If you guys want to see a video, excuse me. Whew, breath. Anyway, if you guys want to see a video on how I do this, just comment below, let me know, and I will definitely film a video on it, because I think this is a great thing to do for your hair. It's helped my hair out a lot. I'm not shedding as much as I was, and I think it has a lot of good benefits. So, but anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and share, comment. That would be amazing. And I'll see you in my next video.